Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're diving into a critical question for business owners. Do I need a registered agent for my LLC? We'll explore what a registered agent is, whether you can be your own, and the benefits of using his service. Stick around until the end for a special offer to get registered agent services through Northwest Registered Agent for only $39 plus state fees. Now, let's get started. First and foremost, let's understand what is a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company that receives important legal documents, tax notices, and official communications on behalf of your LLC. This ensures that if your business is sued or the government needs to send official paperwork, it reaches you reliably. Think of a registered agent as the official point of contact for your business. And now, why do you need one? All LLCs are legally required to have a registered agent. This applies to LLCs, corporations, and partnerships registered with the state. Without a registered agent, your business could miss out on crucial information, potentially leading to legal trouble or missed deadlines. Plus, having a registered agent in place ensures you're always compliant with state laws. Next, can you be your own registered agent? Yes, you can be your own registered agent, but there are a few things to consider. As a registered agent, you'll need to have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed. And you must be available during business hours, which is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., to receive documents. However, keep in mind that your name and address will be part of the public records, so if privacy is a concern, using a third-party service might be a better option. And now, here are a few reasons why hiring a registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent is a smart move. Number one, privacy protection. Your personal information stays private as a registered agent address is used instead of yours. And then number two is peace of mind. A professional service ensures you never miss important documents, even when you're out of the office. And then number three, low cost. With Northwest Registered Agent, you can get this service for just $39. They'll handle all of your registered agent duties for the first year, so you don't have to worry about a thing. And now to sum it up, while you can be your own registered agent, using a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent can save you time, protect your privacy, and ensure that you are always compliant. And remember, they offer registered agent service for only $39, which is a really good deal. So if you're ready to secure your registered agent, click the link in the description below and take advantage of this exclusive offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides. See you next time.